Is it like a holiday or something? I feel like a lot of people are all dressed up. Anyway, please unload the dishwasher for me, and you have a good night, all right? I'm just kidding. Okay, listen, of course, I got you a couple gifts, but the most important one for me is actually this card. I'm gonna read it to you, okay? Sometimes it can be hard to explain the effect you have on my life. I search for the words and they just escape me. I end up only being able to describe how life would be different and worse without you. I don't know how often you feel that you don't have value, but I hope it is few and far between because you have changed the trajectory of my life. You have given my life more purpose than I can articulate. You have been an unending blessing and an incredible addition to my family. I love you, God bless you, and Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I know this time of year is not easy for everybody, but I hope that you find some way to reflect on the last year. All the challenges, but all the good stuff too. And I hope that you can find something exciting to look forward to in the new year as well. I love you so much. Thanks for being a part of my life. God bless you. Goodbye.